Hi everyone, this is Dr. Selman. Today I would like to talk about a little bit the important point of increasing the success in IVF lab. The successful implantation of the embryo requires a normal-shaped uterus with a proper and receptive endometrium, which is the inner layer of the womb, and a genetically normal and healthy embryo. Well, despite all the improvements in laboratory procedures and different clinical treatment modalities, pregnancy rates with IVF are still low today, at least lower than we expect. Why is it so? According to the studies on human embryos, relatively high rate of abnormalities in embryonic chromosomes seem to limit the implantation and pregnancy rates. We know that as a woman ages, the risk for embryo abnormalities increases. We have also learned that most of the genetic problems are maternal origin, comes from the mother, but certainly the sperms also contribute to the genetic content of the embryo, and therefore some problems are of paternal origin. So it seems that using the correct sperms for microinjection during IVF is one of the key points for success. Because while making IVF, the number of eggs from women are mostly limited. There are not much things to do to increase the eggs, but the number of sperms for men is usually in millions. Therefore, it's important to select the right sperms for ICSI. During daily IVF lab, routine selection procedures such as washing, centrifugation, and swim up or swim down and gradient methods are used, and they usually work well. However, we believe that especially couples with previous low fertilization rates, low quality embryos, and also all women with low number of eggs should be considered as candidates for using additional sperm selection tools. In our IVF center, for the necessary cases, we prefer using microfluidic tunnel systems, IMSI, or even direct sperm aspiration from the testicles for choosing the best sperms for better quality embryos and a positive result. Please fill our inquiry form in our website and send your test results, and let us tell our recommendations for you.